Hello, and let's begin with creating a Google Analytics 4 account. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along till the very end of this video to successfully create a Google Analytics account for your business. And let's get started. So first of all, just go to the marketingplanners.google.com and it will take you to this page where you will have two options. Either you can sign into your analytics account if you already have an account, and if you don't have an account, just go ahead and click on get started today, and it will take you to this page where you have to basically create your account using any ID that you want, or you can use another account or whichever you like. So just select an ID and just enter your password and just click on next, and it will ask you for a two-step verification. Just complete that one. Now it will take you to this page where you have to basically enter your details and get started. So just click on start measuring. Now, as you can see that now you have to create your account step by step. So just go ahead and mention your details and let's begin. I will tell you everything that you will need to know. So first of all, just enter your account name right here. So I'm entering my business name, which is Navigate Now, and after that it will ask you for data sharing option to give you more control over your sharing. I usually give all the access for data sharing. I'm also going to click on Google Products and Services, and after that just click on Next. And here you have to create a property to measure your web and app data. Create a Google Analytics 4 property. Each property you create hold all your measurement data for any selection of website or app you choose. So just enter your property details. I will ideally suggest you to enter the name of the business that you have mentioned in the earlier page as your property name, and it will help you for your business in some way or the other. I'll tell you later on. So just enter the name again, and now just select the time zone that you are in. So I have already selected mine and the currency, and just click on next. And here you have to enter the business detail. Just select the industry and the category that you're dealing in right now. So just select the category and just select the size of the business. I'm just selecting small. That's it. And after that, just click on next. And here you have to choose the business objective. I will suggest you to go ahead and select the get baseline reports. You don't necessarily have to click on or get all these generated needs and drive online sites and all of that as of now. If you need them, you can later on edit them as well. So just go ahead and click on get baseline report. So just click on create. And now just go ahead and accept the terms and condition of Google Analytics, and after that just scroll down and accept the measurement services agreement as well, and then just click on I accept. And here you have to choose a platform to set up your data collection for your website or app. You have to choose a perfect match for yourself. You can either go ahead and choose an Android app or iOS app. I'm just going with the web one right now, so just click on it. You can also skip it and do it later on. And now you have to enter the URL of your website and just select a stream. So just write the URL. I'm writing. Now, as you can see, there are enhancement measurement tool, like it will measure your page views, scrolls, outbound clicks, site search, video engagement, and it is called as a stream. So just mention the details and click on create a stream. Now, as you can see, your stream name, your URL, and all the other details. Now, for the installation process, you have to select the website according to you, or you can go ahead and manually install the application of your choice. So you can select the platform. I'm skipping it for now. Now on this page you can see your stream name, your stream URL, stream ID, and measurement ID. So these are all the information that you have to keep in mind. You can go ahead and edit the detail right now if you want to change any of the name or the URL or anything that you would like. Or if you are satisfied with the information, just go ahead and copy the information and save it for later. And after that, just go ahead and just go back. Now you will see your website navigation and stream has been created successfully, and just click on next. And now the data collection is pending, as you can see, because it is not started already. So just click on continue to home, and this is how your homepage will look like. It is saying that basically it is asking you for email information so that it can update you with new news like performance suggestions, feature announcements, feedback and testing offers from Google and all of that. So you can select any of the given information and click on save. Now you are in the Google Analytics homepage, and this is how the homepage will look like. Currently there is no data as of now, obviously because we have just created this account. Once you will have enough data, the data will show right here. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.